Hi Premium Fence, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in today's video I'm going to shoot over 3 things that you could start doing today to help improve your business and bring in more customers. I work with local business owners to help increase their customer base by boosting digital marketing and SEO strategies. And I've learned that by giving people a free plan of things that they could do themselves to help increase their customer base has given some of those other business owners trust in me to help boost their company through my strategies. So if at the end of this video you like what you've seen, and you can see that I have a lot of digital marketing strategies and SEO tools that can help improve your business, just shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if you want to take these free tips I talk about today and do them all yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that will set you above your competition. So the first thing I want to talk about is going to be content. So as you can see here, I'm on your website and I went into a tool I use called SEO Quake. All right, and we can see here's your URL, the Premium Fence LLC. And we'll look down here and we can see that you have almost 1,200 words on your homepage. Now, the Google algorithms, Google's release that their algorithms when they crawl the pages in the search engine are looking for a minimum of 1,500 words to be completely optimized with Google. So right out of the gate, something super easy that you could do is just adding more content to your homepage. It allows you to help boost the keywords, which I'll cover in a minute. But it also just shows Google that you have a lot of value on your website, and that ultimately they just want to ensure that they're matching people who use their search engine with what they're looking for. Now, I did a simple Google search of fence companies Tampa, and one of your top competitors right here is this family fence company. So I did the same thing, and I ran them in SEO Quake, and they have almost 6,000 words on their homepage. So as you can see, they're easily exceeding that minimum number, and they're going well above and beyond that. But what I want to focus on next, and the second point, is going to be the content quality. And I would actually argue that theirs isn't that good, because as you can see, when it ran their web page, and we'll do it again real quick, it actually found a lot of their HTML code. As you can see, it's got color, hover, main navigation, background color, FFF. So what you want is the keywords to be found are going to be the keywords for what you want to be found for in Google. So similar to what you did, fence, fencing, company, Lakeland, the areas you want to be found. So I'd probably have Tampa on there more, but really you did a pretty good job with these premium, the top 5 words that you were using for your keyword density. So just boosting that content, when you do that, make sure that you're targeting these keywords that you want to be found for, because the way it works is when I type something into Google, or anyone does, Google algorithms scrub all those pages and crawl those pages and pull up what words they find to match. And as you can see, having like fence company Tampa would be one of those that you would want to have. Now, another cool thing you can see with keywords is right here. So this is the average cost per click. So if you have them organically, you're saving money. But what I really want to highlight is just the volume. So you see fencing outlet, fence companies Tampa, fencing Tampa, fence installation Tampa, fence Tampa. Right here, you have a couple thousand, almost probably closer to 5,000 searches right here a month for those things. And if you're at the top of the page, those searches are going to find your website. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and what that is it's basically other websites referring to your website. Now, this is the most important thing that Google looks at when they're ranking their organic listing, because backlinks are what give your website power. So you need to make sure that you have not only good quantity of backlinks, but quality backlinks coming from good outside resources and other websites that have strong power to give to you. So this is yours, as you can see, the Premium Fence URL. And it's showing that you only have one backlink with one referring domain. So I highly would suggest you boosting that backlink profile. And now let's just look at your competitor, the first page, and you can see that they have over 9,000 backlinks with 519 referring domains, giving them an authority of 29, whereas yours was 4. So this is really what's going to drive you up to the front page of Google and to staying up there and getting all those clicks in that organic traffic, which is going to be pivotal in boosting your sales and bolstering your customer base. So in conclusion, we talked about 3 things. We talked about content quantity, having that minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. Secondly, we discussed keywords and how when you boost up that keyword content, or that content, you'll be able to get their keywords and be found easier. Third, most importantly, we talked about backlinking and how those backlinks are going to show Google that you're the authority, and all those websites pointing towards you will show them that you deserve to be number one on the organic listing of Google. Now, if you implement these strategies, tips, and tricks and SEO tools that I discussed today, you'll easily be on the first page of Google in no time. So like I said in the beginning, you can take these tips and implement them all yourself, and I'm totally fine with that. However, if you want a more effective route and you want to hear what other strategies I have up my sleeve, go ahead and give me a call back at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I appreciate your time and have a great day.